Most of you will agree with me when I say it is easy to create a difficult strategy, but it is quite difficult to create an easy strategy, right? So today I am going to show you a strategy and you need to tell me what is the name. Now in this strategy, I am having a view at a particular point in time of the market. Now having a view always have two things. If my view is right, it can give me very good profit, but it can definitely give me loss if my view is wrong. So what we need to do is create a strategy with a view, but then even if we are wrong, we do something, some small change in the standard strategy, so that even if my view is wrong, I do not get stuck up. So welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. So in this strategy, what we are going to do, we are going to have our view that okay, either I am bullish or I am bearish, and then I will also try to cover some ground that okay, if my view goes wrong, then do not lose any money. You can join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. Every morning we give you a very useful pre-market report. Let us now move to a back testing software. I am using StockMark today. Let us say I am on 2nd of Feb, Monday, which is practically the first day of February series at morning 9:30. Now here, let's say a budget is over and maybe I am as a trader slightly bullish. But if I create a bullish strategy and market doesn't move up, what will happen, that we need to show. And in the second edition of this video, what I will show you that okay, suppose at the same point 9:30 2nd Feb Monday, I am bearish and I am creating a strategy, how I will handle that, right? So market is at around 24,849 spot. So I will go up in the market and maybe I'll buy 25,400 call. I will sell 25,500 call and I will buy 25,500. So which is this strategy, you need to tell me. Just let me first complete the strategy. So I will do 2 lots of this, right? This is very popular, you can say one-to-one kind of a strategy. Now in this case, what will happen in case market goes down, maximum loss to me is 921 rupees. If market goes above 25,414, my profit can be very good, 5,500 rupees, which is around 6.5% of my margin used. And let us say I'm not doing one lot because I have a capacity that yes, I can take some risk. So what I will do, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots I will use. I'll use 5 lots. It is requiring around 4.28 lakhs. And for all 5 lots, my maximum loss is just 4,600 rupees. That is in case my directional view goes totally wrong, right? In the comment section, please do write what is the name of this strategy. I have purchased 5 lots, I have sold 10 lots, and I have again purchased 5 lots. Now, as I said, this is a standard strategy. Now, I need to modify this strategy in such a way that okay, even if market goes down a bit, I am not going to lose this 4,600 rupees, right? So what I will do, I need to cover only this 4,600 rupees. So maybe if it's a lot size of 65, I need to sell a put which is, let us say, 95 rupees, which will give me more than 4,600 rupees. And this has become a very, very wide range strategy. Market is right now at 24,849 and my break even is 23,819, which is more than 1,000 points. And I am not selling 5 lots, I am selling only 1 lot here. What this selling of 1 lot is effectively doing for me, it is giving me a very, very wide range. Earlier, if I don't do that, if I just ignore this, you see, now if market stays here or maybe goes down a bit, this strategy will not give me profit, it will give me a loss. Although the full loss of 4,600 will happen quite late in the series, very close to expiry. But just by adding 1 lot of put, what I am able to achieve that okay, even if market stays here, I will be in some profit. Even if market tanks down from here by 400, 500 points, I can still manage that. And it is a question of 1 put. I can always manage 1 put. And I have created 5 lots of my other bullish strategy. So if market goes up, there is no issue at all. Margin required as of now is 5.54. If I buy 1 weekly put, that margin will come down to less than 5 lakhs. For better reach and visibility, please click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed it so far. Thanks in advance. Only risk is that okay, if markets suddenly make a very big fall, then I need to handle only 1 put, which I think most of us can definitely handle. And if it is giving me any stress, what I can do is I can definitely buy a weekly put also, that will reduce my margin requirement also, right? Let us see how this trade goes. Next day, oh, huge big gap up, almost 700 800 points, and trade is already giving me a decent profit now. Already I am 10,000 rupees plus in this trade just after one day, because the view was bullish, view went right, and we are making some money, right? But still we are very comfortable. Market is just 25,786. Upper side there is no break even point. Downside 23,875, which is, you can say, almost now 2,000 points away. 2,000 points. I need a 2,000 points fall for this trade to give me a loss, right? So that kind of fall can happen. I am not denying that. So obviously it is always better to buy some protection on weekly basis, right? Next day, if you see, market keeps its upward journey, and I am making a huge profit of 17,000 rupees, and it is showing me, I don't know why the margin requirement has increased, but whatever is the margin requirement, it is 2.3%. So this makes a lot of sense to book this profit. Only for 2-3 days I have done this trade, and it is already giving me profit. Do not focus much on this max profit, because max profit is if market exactly expires at this level, which is 25,500. On the first 3-4 days of the month, it is very difficult to predict that whether market will expire there or not. Now, what is my genuine profit? I'll say, what is my realistic profit in this trade? I will say this line, which is 17,852. So I am already making 17,464. So if I say rational profit in this trade needs to be this 17,000-18,000 rupees only, just for academic interest, definitely we will go ahead and see what happens to the trade. But I think this trade has gone very well for us. Our directional view has gone correct, so we should not be sitting in this trade at all. As a broad strategy, once I am getting the profit, I should not leave any profit on the table and quickly book my profits. But just to see what happens to the market and how this trade pans out, we will move for some more days, right? Next day, if I see, it has reduced a little bit of profit. Next day, okay, at 12,895. Now again I'm touching 17,692. It is already 9th of Feb. Now what I can do, that okay, since if I want to stay in the trade, otherwise I would definitely say I would like to book the trade. But if I now want to stay in the trade, I will book this put now. I do not want this. See what happens. Once I have booked this put, now wherever the market goes, at least I'm not going to have a loss. Yes, if market falls, I am going to make a very little profit. But in case market falls, my profit will vanish, but that profit will not get converted into any kind of loss. So this is known as locking your profit. Now this trade will give me some profit, but it depends purely on your own wisdom at what stage you close this trade. So another method which we follow, that okay, at least let me close 50% of my trades, or maybe whatever is possible. So 2, 4 and 2 lots I am going to close, so that you see this line doesn't remain so bad. So almost 40% of my trade I think I am able to close. If I have done that, now you see the bottom line will definitely give me at least 7,600 rupees, and the top line can give me 17,400. I am already making 17,692. Why I am sitting in the trade? Because of this maximum profit, which is very irrational to expect. But yes, in case I'm really lucky, or in case I do some other jugglery, I can definitely make more profit also. Now my margin requirement has also reduced. I will definitely make profit in this trade. I can only wait for some more time to see that okay, whether luck is really favoring me and giving me a decent profit or not. Let's say next day, it has reduced. Next day, 16,000, 16,000, 15,000. Okay, not much luck here. Let's see, 16,000. Market became very, very stable. February 20th is 12,000 only. Now I'm making 17,000, 16,000. This is 24th Feb. And if I go end of the day also, it is giving me around 12,000 rupees, which is okay, right? So I could have booked the trade there itself. I have locked the profit, thinking that okay, if there is any real good luck, I can get 26,000 in the trade. In any case, I am not going to lose even a single paisa in this trade. So what happened? I created a very standard strategy. In that standard strategy, I just added 1 lakh. right? It becomes a combination of two strategies. Strategy number one, which you are all going to write in the comment section, what is that simple strategy which I created, which was a 3 leg strategy. And then I added a naked put in that. Naked put for monthly, it is naked put, but naked put, if you are buying a weekly protection, then obviously it is not a naked put, right? So next video I'm going to show you, my view was bearish on same day, on 2nd Feb itself, 9:30. My view was bearish, and then what I did, what kind of trade I created, and in that trade what kind of loss would happen in case market has not gone down, market has gone up, but how, by again adding a combination, we saved that also. That is the real skill for an option seller. He is able to take care of his trade for a very wide range of market. Similar to this, we have created 3 courses. We have conducted workshops and recorded those workshops and created them into courses. So the 3 courses are Iron Condor, Iron Fly, and Calendar Spread. All these 3 courses are available. If anyone of you is interested in enrolling these courses, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. And I will say, to understand what is there in the courses, like we have given a complete framework of entry, adjustment, exit, and we have shown you 12 months of backtesting also. But still, if you have any doubt, it is always better to talk to us for knowing the details. So you can contact us on these 2 numbers if you are interested in enrolling for these courses. I am leaving you with another very interesting strategy video. Hope you will definitely like it. If you have learned anything in this video, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.